Hello students, how are you? Today I will start your second chapter, computer devices. Okay, students, do you know how many computer devices? There are four type of computer devices: input device, processing device, output device, and storage devices. Okay, so today I will explain input device and processing device. Okay, so students, see number one, what are the computer devices and what are they used for. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about its IPO cycle. IPO means input, process and output. Okay, so number one, input devices. Student, input devices are the devices which are used to enter data into the computer. Okay, input device are helps to enter data into the computer. Its example number one, keyboard. Keyboard, all you know, keyboard is used for input the data into the computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. In a keyboard, we used many type of keys like alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, function keys, special keys. Okay, so all these are total 104. Keyboard is used for typing. Clear? Next, mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to select an object on the screen and also draw pictures. Okay, mouse has two buttons, left button and right button, and one scroll wheel in the middle of them. It is used to page up and down. Okay, see who made mouse. Mouse is developed invented by Dr. Douglas Engelbart in 1963. Okay students, mouse is of two type. Number one, ball mouse. Ball mouse has a ball under it. When you turn the mouse, you see a rubber ball. It is used to movement of mouse pointer. Okay, when you move mouse, your ball move and your mouse pointer on the screen moves accordingly. Okay, second is optical mouse. Optical mouse is used a light under it. When you turn the mouse, you see a red light behind it. Okay, this is optical mouse. Clear mouse? Number 3, scanner. A scanner is used to scan the picture and send it or transfer it into the computer. Whatever you have handwritten documents or any photograph and you want to send it into computer, so we put that picture or document on a scanner device. It scan the photograph document and send it into the computer. Okay, next is microphone. Student, microphone is used to record and input voice, sound and music into a computer, like your mouse. In mouse mic you speak and your voice came in a loudspeaker. Okay, next is processing device. Processing device is CPU. Okay, CPU stands for central processing unit. CPU is also called brain of computer. It controls the input and output devices attached to a computer. It processes the given input and provide the accurate output accordingly. Okay, all the work done by CPU. User give input to the computer, then CPU process it, calculate it, and gives us output. Clear? Now CPU has three parts. Number one, control unit. This unit control the functioning of all the parts of computer. This unit does not store or प्रोसेस डेटा. ओके, ये वाली कंट्रोल यूनिट्स पूरे फंक्शनिंग को कंट्रोल करती है. नेक्स्ट, मेमोरी यूनिट MU. इट स्टोर्स ऑल द डेटा इन इंस्ट्रक्शन, टेम्परेरी और परमानेंटली. वट एवर वी ड्रॉ, वी टाइप, व्हेन वी स्टोर इट इन कंप्यूटर, so our data store in memory unit. Okay, next, arithmetic logic unit, ALU. It does all the arithmetic calculations like addition, multiply, subtraction, division, etc. Clear? When we want to do addition, subtraction, then this calculation done in ALU. Clear? Next is, it also perform logical operations such as finding less than, greater than. When we want to compare two numbers which is greater than or less than, so we use these logical operator, see, less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, watch video carefully.